in, strolling by with a rosebud smile. They're all dressed up to kill, lean on the windowsill, looking your way with eyes of fire. But don't you slip, don't you slip in love with the girls on the avenue. Friday night, see the girls on the avenue. Like a child at big store windows, you feel confused. So many girls on the avenue. Girls on the avenue know how to get you in, casting out signs like tricks from a hat. All the Miss Lonely Hearts, ooh, they look awful hard, and sometimes they seem as fragile as glass. But don't